Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how Bitcoin has made a lower low and officially broken its bullish structure by making a lower low and a lower high. So we'll talk about that, some interesting scenarios here. We've actually done this before and actually made a new all-time high. So we're going to talk about that scenario. This is some bullish hopium, and then we'll talk about, the most likely plan going forward. So, all right, let's go. All right, very first thing. So bullish structure, meaning we have a low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then we have now broken this last structure here, and it is the lower low officially. Hey, what are you doing awake so early? What's up, buddy? We'll make this a quick video here. Don't you want to go back to bed? Not supposed to be up yet. Anyways, and we have our now kind of bearish structure here where we have broken this low at 74,000 right here. You can see we came all the way down to 73,000, and we have done this actually one more time right here and still made a higher high, which is quite interesting. So I haven't seen anyone talk about this scenario yet, but you can see right here we had a low right here of 28,868, and then we actually made a lower low of 28,700, just a sweep of the low like we just did, and then we still made a new all-time high. So that's kind of an interesting scenario that could potentially play out. A lot of people think we are, right here in this area breaking down, but we could potentially be in this area, which would be kind of a more bullish scenario. And maybe, a lot of people talking about the 5-year cycle and ISM, manufacturing and the economy. Maybe there is something to that. So you can see here we have, hold on, Lucas, let me finish this video, okay? We have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. I'm not done. Give me a couple of minutes, okay? And then, kind of similar here, we didn't actually sweep the low, and then we finally made a lower low actually all the way over here. So this scenario was a lot different than this current scenario. So that's kind of just some bullish hopium that I have for the day here is, maybe the whole point was just to kind of push the price down, make everyone believe we're in a bear market, and then now we could potentially turn around, run back up to a new all-time high. I don't think it's as likely as, the 4-year cycle playing out as normal. So if we look at, kind of like the logarithmic chart, I had predicted the top was going to be about October 1st. A long time ago, almost 2 years ago, but the price was way lower than I thought it was going to be. So, we could easily have the top in and roll over and target a low of about 48 to, 60,000 in basically October of this year. So if everything plays out in the 4-year cycle, this is what will happen yet again. But otherwise, that is a bullish scenario that could potentially happen. So that is interesting. Anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I have an affiliate link below for Bitunix if you want to try trading, and you get a nice little discount in fees. You can also do no KYC and even buy spot on there. So great exchange for that. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.